Welcome to Home Cinema and Tech Review. In this video, I'm about to do something crazy. Crazier than ever. I'm going to project, let me just double check the numbers, I don't want to tell you anything wrong, around 900 inch. So it's not going to be possible at home. I'm going to pull the Valerion Vision Master Pro 2 outside to the balcony, and I'm going to project to a huge building. And I'm about to do something crazy. So the distance between the next building and my building is about 18 meters. So with a throw ratio of 0.9, probably we're going to achieve something like 900 inches on diagonal side. But I'm not sure I can cover the entire building with that because the building is not wide enough. But you're going to have a clear idea how bright the picture is and how sharp the picture is. I'm not going to be able to do it for a long time because I don't think it's the right thing to do to project, highlighted image to the other people's home. But basically, I'm going to do it just for the fun of it and just to show you how much you can enjoy in a home level sizes like 135 like this, 150, 180, up to 200 even. But those are home sizes. But if you go beyond 300 inches, you will get IMAX level picture size. And we're going to look at this in a way that probably that you have never seen on the net, I suppose. So it's a crazy idea. So let me just arrange the setup, because what I've done is I've created the flip-flop mechanism. I've stick the user extra extended warranty card on the front, and I can flip it whenever I want. I can dim down the lights. So this huge screen section won't be too long, but this is going to be a dedicated video. Can you project to a building to create light animations for concert backdrops, watching in a huge scale that you have never imagined before, with a device that size about a palm of a decent guy? So I'm not a basketball player. Probably a basketball player over 2 meters can hold this thing with a single hand, at least from the below. So, without further ado, let's go big. When I say big, let me repeat it. Let's go huge and way beyond. Second chapter is coming. This is the dedicated section right now. This is the glass in front of the camera, and this is the next building, and I'm about to reveal, okay? And this scene won't be too long because it could be problematic. And I've hit the play, and as you can see, can we make it happening? Well, in a lit environment, 900 inch really covers the full building. Can you watch it? It's huge. I think you can go up to 500 inches. And if the building was white, you could clearly watch this. And picture is extremely messed up clear. I can't really believe it. And I have to close it before somebody, hates me or creates an argument with me. This is not just over yet. I'm going to show you with the entire room lit up. Let's go inside the home again. This is the second section, which is more interesting. Right now I am swimming inside of a visual image. And like I said, it could be an IMAX projector. That's why there is a certificate for that. 300 inch is a huge size. This wall is huge wall. Let me just tell you how much the wall length is, because it's passing the wall. Let me just tell you what's the depth of this size with the laser. Depth of this size is about 2.2 or 2.3 meters. And depth of that side is again. So you got 5 meters extension of the width because it's going that way on the wall. And this entire wall is about nearly 4.7 meters. So plus 5, that makes it about 9 meters, 10 meters length, roughly. So this is a huge picture. I'm swimming in the picture. So Valerion is, in my opinion, could be ideal for a mansion a separate home. Since I'm living in a flat, if I have a dedicated room about, let's just say 50 square meter, I will be very pleased with the huge picture on a bigger scale on a regular flat. And if I had a big white screen, I could go up to, I guess, 500 inches clearly, because I projected to a huge building that is the size of a 900-inch screen, and the picture was great. So you can, let me just be clear, the building wasn't white. The second thing, the ambient lights were quite on, so you can walk around in a nighttime. So when you close the ambient lights, you can watch up to 900 inches on a regular light-colored wall. But if you go white like this, if you got a white screen, white wall, huge wall, you can clearly project with this. People say 300 inches, but if you go far, and if it's a dark setup like a dark room or dark night on a wall, I believe you can go up to 500 inches without too much of a problem. So that means you can really lit up an entire building with a Valerion Vision Master Pro 2 and probably other Valerion models too. But since I got this one, I tried with this one. So sorry about the light fixture and the distortion in the middle, but basically I am excited. In the upcoming videos, I will try something crazy. Probably if I can power it up from my electric car. I have a Kia Niro EV. My wife drives that. So I will hopefully try the similar stuff at an auto park or something with a huge wall, dedicated wall. I will retry this and see if it can really manages up to 500 inches on a pretty clear wall if I find it. So when I do, it will be even better video than this one. But definitely, without getting too much of an attention, this was a thing that I could do. I think we are having great contrast, even great brightness levels on this scale. By the way, the contrast loss is because the half of the picture is going the ceiling, half of it on this wall, and there are lots of bouncing lights. So definitely, if you want to catch the clarity of this device, you should be black out your ceiling, floor, or at least create a less bouncing light setup with side curtains or sun blockers or paints or audio isolation. As always, this is going to be a perfect match for a dedicated man cave setups with a big screen in the middle. And with the ALR, without the ALR, videos are going to hopefully come. I will try to shoot them separately. I think I found my long throw projector finally. Until the next video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hype the videos if you can. I know this might sound like a gimmicky video, but I've tried a 900-inch. Probably it was something never done before. I've really managed to put a lot of light on a building, and I think in a dark night without ambient lights on off the streets like this one, this is a site that people live and people walk around in a lit environment. So when you block the lights, when you just put onto a building, I believe you can catch 500 to 600 inches easily, because that will double the light again compared to my 900 inches. So even though it says 300 inch on the box, you can do way more, because like I said in the early videos, your eyes adjust in the darkness. That's why you think there's enough of a light, or at least you catch the TV brightness in the dark room. So having a laser in front of my eye is difficult. So we are coming to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you can, and don't forget to comment, because comments really helps the channel to grow. And if the channel grows, sponsors send me more products, so you will see more different tutorials, guides, videos. I will probably create a lot of different guides in my mind with the Valerion, and also some similar high-end projectors and screens in the upcoming videos. So before I lost my eyesight because of this brightness, I want to end the video. I hope to see you in the next video from Home Cinema and Tech Review. Until the next video, hoşça kalın from Türkiye. So I thought the camera was there. Yeah, light really affects the vision. Bye.